right, today we're going to bring a corner shelf, and this is perfect to display anything you have. It comes with LED lights, remote control, and they give you the actual tool, if you guys can see, a little Phillips. All right, and we're going to put it in this little corner here because it's a little dead dull, and this is our area where we actually put our little, displays that we want to see people to see. So we're going to actually set up the lights and everything. So let's go ahead and put it together and see how it looks at the end. Very important in the build, this third leg, it's going to be the LED light. It says plus here. You can't see on the camera, but the pins have to be pointed down when you start building this up. Every single one is going to have to be pinned down because connection comes in here, goes up, connects to the next one, and so forth. So this is the first layer. Very simple to set up. I didn't have to do any screwing too much. Only a couple screws here. All right, here's the finished product. I got it on white light. We're gonna change it to different colors, and it's completely dark in here now. So let's change it to red. Look at all the colors. I'm gonna step back a little bit so you guys can see a little bit better. We're trying all the functions here. Many functions in here that you can use. That's kind of like a dimmed down version of it. And that's it. It has all the features. We're going to turn on the light a little bit stronger here. So let's go ahead and do that. And I'm standing probably like maybe 7 feet away from it. Let me get closer so you guys can see. It looks good. It gets great in the corner on my fixtures, my action figures here. They're not made for them. I'm going to replace these. I'm 3D printing some more figures. And in fact, we have a first one here, Darth Vader. Very simple, easy to install. I hope you guys enjoy the video.